This is the video guide that is about removing another malicious extension from the Google Chrome browser. The extension is called GetItDark. GetItDark is a special extension designed only for Google Chrome. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you'll be able to enable dark mode for simple pages. They say that this is a more convenient way to surf the web. This helps minimize the tension on the eyes, but the trouble with this extension is that it actually operates as a typical adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the great portion of advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was added to the Google Chrome browser mistakenly, make sure you undertake the measures and remove it. Go to the menu More Tools, Extensions. If you find this extension, disable and remove it. Now, to make sure that your system is free of other threats that could be possibly hidden, I would strongly advise researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to obtain its fresh version is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.